Hey everyone, I'm Mickey. Welcome back to LaceUp Solutions, your #1 DSD software. Today I'm going to tell you why you need to buy QuickBooks Enterprise with advanced inventory if you're a DSD company. So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should buy this QuickBooks. Reason number 1, with QuickBooks Enterprise with advanced inventory, you can track bin location inventory, meaning that you can set up bin locations within your warehouse where product resides. Okay? And when you receive orders, you can pick from that bin location and send from that bin location to your customers. This is going to allow you to organize your warehouse and know exactly how much product is in each portion of the warehouse. So reason number 1, it allows you to track bin locations. Reason number 2, it allows you to create multiple inventory locations. So let's say, for instance, that you're a supplier that has 2 warehouses, one in Los Angeles and one in San Francisco. With QuickBooks Enterprise, you can know exactly how much inventory is in the warehouse in San Francisco and how much inventory is in the warehouse in Los Angeles. Not only this, but you can set up a location for each of your DSD vans or trucks and know exactly how much inventory is in each van or truck. Okay, so that's reason number 2. Reason number 3, and perhaps the most important reason why you should get QuickBooks Enterprise with advanced inventory, is something called first in, first out. So in first in, first out, you receive product at a certain cost. First in, first out ensures that the first product that gets sold out of the warehouse is the one that you received with that cost. Meaning that you always have live tracking of what the cost is or what the value is of the product residing in your warehouse. If you don't do first in, first out and you go with a lower tier QuickBooks, then you end up getting something called average cost. Average cost averages out the cost as you receive the product, and that, for many reasons, which I'll link below, is inaccurate over time. So that's reason number 3, first in, first out. Reason number 4, QuickBooks offers a module for special promo prices, meaning that you can set a temporary price reduction from this day to this day, okay, for these customers. And you can set up those specials, and when you go key in the invoice into QuickBooks, it'll automatically pull from those specials and display that special price. So reason number 4 is a special pricing module. Reason number 5, okay, and perhaps one of the most, if not the most important reason, you can do something called advanced or enhanced picking and packing. Okay. With advanced inventory, you're able to put a scanner in your warehouse to scan the product coming into your warehouse and going out of your warehouse when it gets picked. This is awesome. Now, some people have good reviews about this module and others have bad reviews about this module, but the bottom line is that either way, whether it's good or bad, it's better than doing everything by paper. So again, you can use a little Motorola or Zebra scanner to scan in your product or to pick it and scan it out of the warehouse. So those are the 5 reasons, if you're a DSD distributor, why you must purchase QuickBooks Enterprise with advanced inventory. If you're looking on the website, it's QuickBooks Enterprise with Platinum. I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description down below. Either way, I hope this video helped you pick the right QuickBooks. My name's Mickey. I'm here to provide you value. Please like and subscribe to our channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.